What up, man? It's your boy D Bonds back with another banger. D. What up, Snotty Nose Gang, man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy D Bonds back with another banger, man. You already know what it is. Alright, man, listen, man. Y'all know. I've been talking about this for a long time. So we got something new, baby. I've been sitting for like a good week. I know y'all probably seen it in the shorts or whatever, you feel me? But I've been dropping a lot of shorts. I had the video been sitting. I just want to let y'all know ahead of time because I don't want y'all to be like, yo, how you got the shorts and not the video? Well, I got the video. Here it is. You feel me? So, without further ado, man, what we got in the mail. And by the way, shout out to my boy Romy Rome, call me Chrome with one to your dome. You feel me? Hey, listen, he right here. Make sure y'all follow his channel, man. Y'all already know, man. That's my partner. That's my cameraman. You know what I'm saying? My road dog. We on this journey together. You feel what I'm saying? So, y'all see me? Y'all see Romy Rome, call me Chrome. I'm just letting you know. But make sure you follow my boy channel because he got some Parliament 80s that he got reviewing too. You feel me? So make sure y'all definitely go subscribe to my boy. But yeah, that's what we talking about. What we got is the CBC Industries. Yeah. I like them too. They prices real good. I like they got all different types of barrels for 9mm carbines, whatever you need. They got it. So y'all know I usually go to the other team tactical, you feel me? But I wanted to try, you know, this company to see how the firearms would, you know, do. So like I said, man, the CBC Industries, man. They had it for a good price, man. A really good price. You can't beat it. Now, we did have to look at this baby. Look how small she is. Look how small she is, man. Look at that, man. You know, oh, I put that on there too, by the way. It ain't come like that. But you know, it does got the M locks. You know what I'm saying? Your little M locks. I wanted to get the one with the rails, but I was like, nah, I think I'm gonna stick with this one. You got your little Picatinny rails. Now, like I told y'all, well, what I was about to say before, I didn't get the bolt carrier or the charger handle. I just got this by itself, cause you know I got another builds that I be doing, so I'm just gonna take one of the charger handles and the bolt carriers and put it in here. You know what I mean? It's chambered to 556, or I could do it in 223, whatever. You know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna just leave it at 556, safe side. Okay. So I'm about to go put this bad boy together. You feel me? Just give me 1 second. 1 second. Bye. I'll be back. You feel me? You see it? Got that baby in it, baby. It's gonna look good. Hold on, give me one more second. I'm about to put the rest of the pieces on there. Hold on 1 second. All right. Now, that's how she look now. It's the Embers sights. Now y'all probably like, oh yeah, I don't need that on there, but I'm gonna have it on here anyway, just in case if this ever dies, I got my backup sights, and there's nothing wrong with that. Do what pleases you, not what everybody else wants you to do. So, you know, got the 6 hour. You know, the red dot. Let me show y'all this joint. I don't know if you can see it or not, though. You see that joint? Put that down like that. You know if you see it. I see that joint. That joint hard. That joint nice, and it is sighted in too. Just to let you know, that baby is sighted in, man. But it's a nice piece. I'm about to put this joint on for y'all so y'all can see how this joint look. You know what I'm saying? So let me get my little upper right here. There we go. Yes sir. And you got that 5-inch micro. Like I said, man, it's good, man. I wanted one of these because you can put this on in your backpack. Now this, it has to go. You cannot walk around with this, I heard, still, because it is still considered as a stock, because you put a stock on there, blah, blah, blah. But I do plan on getting a buffer tube, the pistol tube or whatever, to make it complete. And magazines I got for it, y'all already know, got the mag coupler, you feel me? And there you go. So I got a little 2020 on there. That joint look beautiful, but the stock look ugly. Yes, it does. It look real ugly. So, you know, we're gonna take this baby to the range, man. I just had to show y'all, man, because it's been a while. This is new to the collection. Her name is Shorty P. Yes, Shorty P. That is her name, Shorty P. You feel me? So, I'm gonna put one more thing on here. Give me 1 second. Just give me 1 second. Bam. Alright, so y'all already know why I had to put on there, man. Probably what y'all seen in the shorts. You feel me? Yes, sir. This is the 6-ray. I love the 6-ray, man. 6-ray looks beautiful, man. Yo, you can put this joint, like I said, man. You can put this joint in your backpack. You got your carry concealed. Like I always tell y'all, man, make sure you get your carry concealed, man. Get your carry concealed. You do not want nobody to see what you packing, man. That's the best way to be, you feel me? So, the next time y'all gonna see this, man, I'll probably give y'all a few more shorts of this. We gonna go to the gun range, test it out in a few days. When we go, we gonna test this baby out, you feel me? And then, on top of that, when we do take this baby out, we taking a Diamondback 5.7 out too. So we gonna put both of these joints to the test, you feel me? And yeah, we get it popping. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy D Bonds, man. If y'all rocking with your boy, make sure you subscribe to my channel, man. You heard? Peace.